Here's how to fix Steam corrupt update files. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, then select Settings. Go to Downloads, click Clear Download Cache, and confirm. Steam will restart automatically. Once it reopens, check if the update error is resolved. If the issue persists, go back to Settings and open Storage. Click the three-dot menu next to your Steam library and select Repair Library. Wait for Steam to scan and repair any corrupted library files. If the error only affects one game, make sure the game is installed. Go to your library, right-click the game, and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare the installed files with the official versions and automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the verification process to reach 100%, then try launching or updating the game again. That's all for this video. Thanks.